Bonus points for using chicken wire. It's reusable and a good choice for the environment. To avoid any spills, only fill your vase 3/4 of the way with water. There are so many different ways to design with flowers, but for this particular arrangement, we are going to start with our star flowers, giving them a prominent place and using them to create the overall shape of the bouquet, and then we'll add in more layers with other flowers after these beautiful reflexed roses. An easy way to tackle design is to think of your arrangement in different layers. First, we started with the reflex roses, and now I'm adding these beautiful double pink tulips. They're such a nice complement to the roses, and they'll fill in the other spots quite nicely. Now that we've added our star flowers to the design, it's time to add the greenery. But we don't want the greenery to detract from these star flowers, so we're going to tuck it in nice and deep to cover our mechanics and also add more color and texture. You want the greenery in this case to play second fiddle to those beautiful blooms. Let them shine. Ta-da! Taking this little beauty for a spin.